tapos na yatang 8 ko. Thank you very much for the generous introduction, my sponsor, Diamond Master Rally Pinorca. Give me the opportunity to share my screen first, okay? Yun. I think that is already good enough, right? Yung screen ko.
Yep, go ahead.
Okay. Welcome to Marinduque Global Center's Zoom meeting. It's the 17th day of March, 2026. Ako rin po ay isang taong nangangarap na magkaroon din po ng center in the Southern Philippines. I was born in Basilan, as I should say, the best island in the world, long time ago. And was born to a aviator, a pilot, and a teacher. So siguro pag makikita niyo mamaya yung background ko talaga and how I was molded to become a better person in this world. Before we start, what do you think? What time is it?
It's himo
Himo
time.
It's
time!
himo time. Meron bang na may nakahimutan o meron naka-atomy America when you started the morning? Okay, so hindi ko muna kayo pressure and you can take that while I'm sharing with you my journey in anatomy. So, sabi nga nila, make it a habit. It's either you take your Himo-Him or take your Arabica coffee. Ako kasi po, when I met Atomy, so Himo time is any time for me. As long I always start and end up the day with a Himo-Him or coffee. So there are so many significance at saka benefits ang Himo-Him at coffee sa akin. Okay. Sabi nga nila, ang buhay raw or our life is shaped by the way we think. It's a thoughts, our thoughts are powerful and they even influence our emotions, guide our decisions, and shape our actions. What we repeatedly think about, it slowly becomes our reality. Focus on growth, gratitude, and possibility. Always remember, if we have that habit, the opportunity begin to appear. Above all, your thoughts create your reality. So ano yun yung pong i-discuss natin ngayon, yung 8 core habits. So I used to work for Carnival Cruise Lines and they say that it's the most popular cruise lines in the world. By profession, my passion is cooking and I'm a chef and I left cruise lines as a senior food and beverage manager for 12 years. So my background, I travel around the world. I met thousands and thousands of people every single day. But I thought that travel, that profession already molded me to a better position where before I met Atomy. Yung pala iba pala. Iba pala talagang Atomy. Sabi ko nga, when I had a business here in Baltimore, Maryland, sabi ko, if I have known Atomy 10, 15 years ago, I should have done Atomy and remove all the stresses, releases all the, I should say, the pressures in my life. And even sometimes it may cost my family because if my family go for a tour, naiiwan po ako sa business ko because handling a restaurant is a 24/7 job. So that changes. That's a history na. So today we will discuss about 8 core habits. Alam ko po may mga habits din po kayo. May sarili rin po tayong mga habits o anong dapat natin gawin when we start. Nobody can tell us what to do. It's our choice. But learning anatomy, iba pala. When you talk or you speak about from your heart and mind. Kasi dati lagi ako mind and heart. Nasusunod na lang yung heart. Yung mind na una lagi. Iba pala when you do something that you do it with purpose and mission. So in anatomy, Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Nagpapabili ng notebook? Sabi ko, Walmart notebook, which is 99 cents. Para ano ito? Sabi ko ganun. So, it's too elementary. Yan ang sabi ko talaga. I can admit, sabi ko, too elementary. Bakit dapat gawin tong ganito? Why I have to write every single thing? Eh, sabi ko pala, at the end, attending seminars, it will help me in my journey in Atomy. So, kayo po, kung ano po yung plan nyo day by day, what is really your purpose or mission or goal in Atomy, sabi nga nila, this is an individual business ownership, but we work and we travel and we journey together to be successful. Okay, ganito lang po ang paggagawa ng ating 8 core habits. So there are like 8 steps ng 8 core habits natin. So one is read books, Atomy video, or watching Atomy video. Use Atomy product 100%. Share Atomy product. Attend Atomy meetings. Show the plan, consultation, build trust. So, bawat step, categorically may mga meaning po siya and how we can, do our 8 core habit. So, hindi naman siya dapat day by day perfect. If you did it for this day, this step number 3, just put a mark. And that will remind you, ay, nagawa nyo pala at na-fulfill nyo pala yung goal nyo for the day. So, what is the mindset doing this 8 core? One, it affects our behavior. Positive thoughts lead confident actions and confident action leads for better results. Kasi alam po natin ano yung nagawa o ano yung gagawin natin for the next hour or day to come. Over time, our inner dialogue become our outer experience. And we all should also be mindful what we allow into our minds. It replaces negative thinking with empowering beliefs. When we change our thoughts, we start changing our life. So, number one, we can start the day by read any materials. It could be the Bible, it could be your uh, early morning prayer book, anything that you think that will exercise your mind, your brain, because it will unlock and it gives you meaning and opens a new horizon for you. Hindi ba? Minsan pag na-exercise po yung utak natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng sense of positivity for the day. At we can even relate, ito pala yung thoughts for this morning. So I grew up like that since I was born with a teacher. So reading is the number one yes in the family. So hindi kami pwedeng matulog pag hindi kami nagbabasa. But as, times goes, lumalaki na lumalaki, nagkakaroon kami ng sarili kong choices, then na-develop na minsan, ay, reading lang pala yan. But with Atomy, we have different books from Atomy that can really help us to understand fully ano ba talaga ang Atomy. And those experiences in readings we can even relate that to other future members of our company. So, how to start a small habits that will be a win-win situation? One, passive success is rarely built from big moments. It is usually grows from small habits repeated every single day. If you think, you believe it's positive, do it every day. Waking up early, reading consistently, staying disciplined with your goals may feel ordinary at first, but these habits slowly build momentum. Kayo na po yung gagawa ng star for yourself for the day. And sometimes you can even claim that, oh, I did the best of my life this day. So, hindi ba very rewarding po yun? The person who improved just 1% sa time frame pa yan, 15 minutes of your time, daily becomes dramatically stronger, smarter, and more capable. The secret is consistency and not intensity. You don't have to pressure yourself. Anyone can feel motivated for a day, but only disciplined people stay consistent for months and years. Para lang po yan planting the seed. Small habits may seem invisible at first, but eventually they become or create extraordinary results. So whatever results you want to do, create your own small win-win habits. I just want you to watch this video. This becomes a very special in my heart because this it all started the love story of my daughter. Oh, she just got married last August last year, and this video it will enhance or currently gearing for giving up for our groundbreaking launch. If we do that Atomy business, it opens our new offerings that will captivate the market. Our marketing campaign will generate anticipation. One meaning to say that we introduce something new to the people, something innovative. We bring changes. As we do Atomy, we always say we bring global wellness. We offer new things for new health that we are concerned with people like facing so many diseases. Our marketing campaign means we build excitement. So by showing this video, I do hope that it will enlighten us. What do I really mean to be?
I can't believe that I've
거꾸로 들었어.
lost count of how many times I've let
놀랐지?
you
이거
down.
컨셉이야.
I've never realized
7년의 연애 서로 다투기도 많이 하고
you've been
싸우기도 많이 했지.
and to love me
이렇게.
greater than my mistake.
그래도 널 만나서 행복을 알게 되고 사랑을 알게 됐어.
Because of you, we always
내가 가진 게 없고 많이 모자라도 하루의 시작과 끝을 너와 함께 하고 싶어. 나랑 결혼해 줄래? 하루의 시작과 끝을 너와 함께. 애터미 치약 칫솔.
O, di ba? Saan po kayo kinilig? Sa K-pop movie nyo? O sa sa ano ba tawag na? Sa Yahoo, mga movies? O, di ba sana nag-create po ng excitement watching Atomy video. So, marami po tayong mga sa channel Atomy, marami po tayong makikita mga videos, mga learnings, at saka mga messages ni President Hangil Park, at saka mga testimonies po ng mga ibang leaders natin sa Atomy. So, spend time, watch Atomy to learn more and to be able to show also that experiences to other people. So, number 3 is use Atomy product 100%. I started using Atomy after so many rejections po. But when I try the product, so it becomes the new chapter of my life. So then I start spreading that also and give me the opportunity to be able to travel after that experience, that this is a company that opens my mind, my heart, my mind, na is worth pala to try and at the same time put that into my system. So when I talk about marketing strategies on using this Atomy product, it implements personal engagement strategies for me. So it tailor campaigns to resonate with specific demographics, fastening a sense of relevance and connection. It collaborates with other leaders and thought leaders to amplify our brand message. What does it mean? It tailors interactions. it becomes more personal for me to share it. Uh, Number two, it makes and creates building the gap or building a bridge. It creates bigger connections, not just about money, not just about wealth, but interpersonal relationship in the community. And it creates partnership. I've heard so many leaders speaking about their successes. So that motivates me to do this habit and work more and create my own habit to be able to achieve what is necessary. So I start sharing product. After pandemic, I traveled because everybody is due to medical concern. So I said, I want to prove myself that I can do it. So I share this that if you will ask me, like from head to toe, my supplements are all Atomy product. So my experience with this product becomes my voice to share that to other people, which medically I'm so concerned about it. These are the people closest to my heart. To your left, in your skin, that's my mother, who is turning 89 on June. Then my dad, mm, he's back to our creator, but I am so proud of myself that he was able to try him and even prolong his life. And I'm so blessed for having that. These are also some of my partners. That's the Barrios family. The great experience there during the pandemic, the hospital said to pull out the life support of the mother. But I said, hey, you are nurses, three nurses in the family. Why don't you try him? So they tried him. After 3 days, the mother recovered. And now the mother is 88 years old, is still watching their stores. And Judy Barrios is my future sales master in God's praise. Um, Down is the son of Ronald, one of my sales master, Ronald Solamo. Suffered from bronchiectasis, and he also survived with that. So, as I've said, Himuhim is not a medicine; it's a dietary supplement that boosts your immune system, but able able to help them medically. The two sisters who had also cardiac bypass, and now they're still taking him for more than 3 years now. So these are the things that I was able to share Atomy product. So what are the three lessons that I've learned doing this? As they say, focus on serving first, not selling. Sales will follow naturally. Meaning to say, the art of sharing is the art of caring. Share the benefit, don't just sell. People try the product from people they trust. They will trust me because I'm the first-hand experience about this product. Attend meeting. Like now, I'm so grateful that you have invested your time today. So plugging into the system, it means a lot. It gives us the opportunity to learn from each other. So when I heard testimonies, I said, okay, let me jump in this company. So if not because of the testimonies, I don't think so that I'm here in the system right now. So I just gave myself opportunity and start attending meeting. Oo nga, minsan nga naman, sabi nga nila, nakakatamad, sobrang aga, lalo na ng daylight saving time. Marinduque, we need to wake up at 5:30, 5:45 to be ready. Ang iba naman, 7, minsan naman midnight. Minsan, nag-aano pa ako, sabi ko, ano ba naman yan? Sunday na Sunday, may meeting pala. But that is only about mine. Plugging into the system help us confidently be able to explain our vision. So attending meetings gave me the opportunity. August 28, 2022, that is my first auto sales master class. Via Zoom lang talaga po yun. Wala pang mga materials. So, I just attended meetings. Wala akong magawa. When they said, drop an inspiration letter, drop your testimony, I just do it. I just follow it. And nananalo naman po ako. Libre ng lotion, libre ng mga himuhim. So I am so proud of it. And I'm just like my sponsor. Ito po yung nasa podium po ako, sa jersey po yan. Eh sabi ko, baka balang araw din, baka pumunta ako sa global stage. And after 1 year, it happened po. I started speaking via Zoom, my product testimony. Then I was invited. I even invite myself minsan din. Because, I believe that my purpose pala yung pag-join ko sa Atomy. And my second life, it means a lot for me. And that's why I'm always saying that Atomy is a gift and Himuhim is life. So in other presentation, I can tell you more about that. So by attending meetings, nakilala po ako as a sales master and hope to achieve another level on that. So thankful. So educational system that leads to success. Meron po sabi nga ng president, the system is already set. Ready na. We just need to implement it. And when I was in Virginia, may mga questions mga other leaders or members of Atomy. They asked several questions to the president. Sabi nga ng president, problemahin nyo yung business nyo. Huwag nyo pong problemahin ang system because the system is already set. All you have to do is to learn the system, adapt the system, plug into the system, and spread whatever you have learned. So it's a very humble president. So our company offers regional seminars, webinars, Success Academy, and one-day seminar. Mamili na lang po kayo. Okay. 6, share the plan or share the vision. Number 1 that struck me, the Atomy company motto. During my 6 months recovery from quadruple open heart bypass, so it gave me the opportunity to just lay down in my bed and watch the company motto of Atomy. And that's where it started. Oh, I think this company resonates to my values. And I've learned about Atomy writing the history of networking. What does it mean? Yung rejection natin, because when we hear multi-level marketing, rejected na yun. I even rejected my sponsor several times. Sabi ko, ba't mo hinihingi yung aking social security number? Because during that time, we still require that, but nothing else. But I gave my chance, the opportunity to listen and try product. And here we are. I'm a company that goes beyond customer satisfaction to achieve customer success. So this is also the things that we really, when we open our lips to the consumers or future or prospect, we really need to emphasize what's that plan of Atomy? What is the vision of this company so that they will understand what they're entering to. So Atomy is making network marketing history. From 2009 at the present, our Atomy company, it's become bigger and bigger and is spreading all over the world now. And you know that there's a company vision that Atomy will become the #1 distribution hub in the world. So isn't that we should be grateful that we are in this company and we didn't make a mistake in registering ourselves and putting ourselves into this system. So what are the key points that we can develop and we can share it to our future members or future prospects? It gives an ease of business. We call it rightful marketing plan because it's no joining fee, no monthly auto ship, no starter package, no sales obligation, no minimum purchases. We only need to purchase what we need. And to be able to be active for another year, you only need to buy one product to reactivate your membership. So it's a balanced distribution. And we can explain that to other day. We talk about marketing plan. And the structure, which is the binary system, unlimited level, global one server, no points value flash out before commission payout, lifetime accumulation of personal PV. That will also be discussed thoroughly in marketing plan. And the best gift is the 3-generation inheritance. We are building a legacy, not for ourselves, but also for our family. We have a product, what we call Mastige. It is a product created for the masses, but still we keep how prestigious it is. So we don't jeopardize the quality of the product. That's why we say absolute quality. Sabi nga nila, ang ang produkto ay pipikapin sa Glorieta, pero presyong tutuban. Pero high quality pa rin ang product natin. So, it's a product para sa masa. In Atomy, it's not all about the product of the commission. It is the Atomy system. Kasi may sistema po tayo na ready na para sa atin. So, what we have to do? Just share it, open our hearts, open our lips, and spread the good news of Atomy product. It is from Atomy consumer to business member. It's an opportunity for us to become a global partners in this business. We also earn commissions such as the General Commission, Mastership Bonus, Mastership Commission, Center Commission. This is a great opportunity. And we have also the Mastership Bonus when we achieve ourselves into a leadership position from Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, to the ultimate goal, which is the Imperial Master. We also receive cash promotional total from Sales Master to Imperial Master. Those are the figures that is in peso. So we also have the Atomy Success Club. We achieve higher level. We achieve ultimately from Auto Sales Master Club to Leaders Club to Royal Leaders Club, Crown Leaders Club, and look at that income, the annual salary of our Leaders Club from 4 million to 8 million to 16 million. Ano kaya pwede mangyari pag natanggap na natin to? I do hope now we still have the opportunity to share this money to the needy globally. The more we have, the more we can share. As a test, as a proof, there are now 17 Imperial Masters in our company. And 3 of those Imperial Master, I had the opportunity to meet them from the Philippines to United States of America. So I even took picture with the CEO, president, 3 times or 4 times already. So it's a humble, very humbled person. Now, consultation is number 7 in our 8 core habits. I call it teamwork and consultation. Consultation plays a very important role to me doing this Atomy. I am so grateful that I have a very great sponsor. I have a great leaders. I have sister line, brother line sponsors. But in this company, the consultation and the team working makes me stronger in doing that Atomy. Kaya nga minsan sabi ko nga sa aking sponsor, pag ako nananahimik, ibig sabihin kinakabahan ako. But if I am confident and I will speak about him, maingay ako because I have that great experience and I am so fulfilled about it. So sometimes when we meet our members, we always, hindi nga sabi na pag may problema lang, saka lang nagre-report sa sponsor or sa leaders. So sometimes yes, but we as leaders also, we should be ready, responding to the needs of our members. Lagi nating narinig, I don't know anybody. Wala akong kilala. Wala naman, hindi man ako friendly. So, we as a leader, we just need to nurture them or teach them like to do their listing and show them how to do the system in making their lists. Then sometimes I will complain, no one would register as member. But we as leaders, have we teach them or Share with them the company vision, what company can offer. And sometimes they will also ask, they will tell us there's hardly any sale. Ask yourselves, are you a repeater? Are you an auto consumer? Have you discussed what benefits they can give people with diabetes, people with cancer? What benefit? What are the features of Himuhim? Vitamin C, dish detergent, laundry detergent. So we are the ambassador of this company. We are the ambassador of our product. So we should be the first model of our company. Then, isang reklamo pa, they're not joining the meeting. They're not joining the system. Have we invited? Did we motivate them? Did we show them the compensation plan? And lastly, sometimes we will feel this. Yung mga taong ano talaga, sabi nila, malambot daw ang puso, mahiyain. So na they feel that they are not welcome. But we as leader, company motto number 4, service with humility. They will call us sales master. They will call us star master. They will call us Sharon Rose master. They will call us diamond masters. Those are just titles. But what we have to show them that our feet is on the ground, and at the same time that we have this welcoming spirit. We are here to serve and we are here to lead. Sabi nga nila, a good leaders are leaders who make leaders out of the group. So duplication. So before I end up my 8 core, there are like 3 questions that I developed last night. I can answer it for myself and you can answer it for yourself, but I don't need answers verbally, and keep it in your mind and in your heart. What do you think or need from me to feel comfortable moving forward? Ano kayang kailangan? Natin o ako? Na maging komportable tayong lahat to be able to achieve. We are now facing in a big challenge. Paano tayo maging komportable kaya? What would be our role? What is the most interesting action you have worked? Anong nagawa natin? How many years na tayo sa Atomy? How many days and months na po tayo sa Atomy? Ano ang nag-stand out? Anong napaki anong na-share natin? Ano yung napadama natin sa kanila? How did we let them feel na okay pala sila sa company natin? And lastly, what kind of impact do you hope to make in your team and how can I help you get there? I'm lucky. I'm a great sponsor, great leaders, great sister line leaders. If any one of you have heard about the cow philosophy and baby philosophy, we can expound that more. Sabi nila, dun sa baka, sige lang, milking lang tayo. Pag nawala ng milk, pwede nang katayin ang baka. But sa baby, we nurture, we mold, we train to become future leaders. That is the difference between a cow philosophy and baby philosophy. Napakaganda. I've learned that from Atomy. I have never learned that from my corporate world. So, but number 8, above all 3 questions, I do believe we need to build trust. Trust from our system, trust from our product, trust from others, trust our leaders, trust our members. Kabit side na sabi nila, may mga matitigas din members, may mga negatibo rin, but the thing is, negativity will fly us to success. Never give up. Just stay put, deep, breathly, and be positive. So yung bang product enhancement, we just talk about product, we just talk about technology, or we talk collaborative partnership. Are all this the answer? I should say trust. So what is the result? I have given my 101%. This is the result when I tried my Atomy products. I started year 2021 after my quadruple open heart bypass. I was taking 13 prescriptions. Siyempre, hindi ho naman siya overnight sensation, hindi naman siya overnight talaga. So, yung nga sabi nila, ang lalo na mentality ng ating mga kapwa is, pag ay, gumaling na, they stop. But in Atomy, our supplement is a regimen. Yun ang lagi ko sinasabi. Hindi porket okay na, nahinto na. But your body still needs it. So from 13 precisions, it becomes 18. Weeks ago, it drops to 3 prescription. My cardiologist, my endocrinologist, my primary care physicians, my eye doctor, in one team, they said, remove one mess. And my insulin, I started 45, 40, 38, 25. Now I'm on the 18. So 2021, 22, my A11.8 is my A1C. First grade kasi ako sa lahat eh. Lahat high ranking. So from 11.8, 10.3, now I am on 7. Sabi ng cardio and endo, one more down. Wala na yung gamot. So, my glucose was 400 to 300. This morning is 87 to 99 milligram deciliter. What is the goal? Becomes normal. So I can enjoy life. I can still be with my family. I can still see my mother growing older and older. I can still travel because I am energized and I am medically fit. So these are the doctor results as of March 11, 12, 13. Meron akong series of doctor's appointment this March. So, but going back to the business, we do networking. We are a distribution hub. In this business, marketing grows slowly. Just be patient. Your efforts, your hard work, your perseverance, your decision will blossom. Just like planting a seed. Ito lang po yung i-share ko, yung kaya ko pinapanood kanina yung video ng toothpaste. Ang love story po ng anak ko, it all started from that toothpaste. So, their sickness in health giveaway bag is all Atomy product. So, in the hotel in Mexico, we put all this coffee and him as a welcome gift. So, that's the budget. When I start budget when we starting doing the budget of a giveaway, it costs us more than $1,000, but with Atomy, it's more or less, to be exact, $300 to $400. So this is my daughter, and that is my a new member in the family. Success isn't about achievements or wealth. It's about living a life that honors God and love others. Ang aking mission, vision, I created my 4 C's. Atomy, for me, is compassion. Atomy, for me, is care. Atomy, for me, is courage, doing the business, talking to people, spreading the good news, and sharing my experience. It takes courage to do that. And my last C is connection. I build a bridge to every single person, left and right, forward, backward, because this is a covenant. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Elpidio Ping Murillo from Atomy Atlanta Center, your sales master. Thank you po.
Wow. Maraming salamat, Sales Master, Diamond Master Elpidio Ping Marillo. Thank you for sharing. Kinabahan ka ba? That's my future Diamond Master. So maraming salamat. Recap lang natin. 8 core daily habits is reading, watching a video, attending meeting, using the products 100%. Oh, kitang-kita nyo naman. He's the product of the product of this amazing company. Wow, 15 prescription down to 3. Amazing. And then show the plan. Kung hindi pa kayang show the plan or explain the business, make sure you invite them here and we'll explain it for them. Number 6 is customer care or customer delivery. 7 is consultation. Ayan, pinakamasipag mag-consult si SM Ping. Wala akong masabi. Hats down. And then 8 is building trust. Okay, so sana na kuha nyo yun. And sabi niya, dapat may notebook pag nag-a-atomy. Ako, tamad ako magbasa, kaya yung notebook ko, meron ng verse ng Bible. Para kung hindi ako makapagbasa ng libro. Kung hindi ako makapagbasa ng libro, at least, I could read a verse from the Bible para check na rin, diba? Ang atomy, pwede sa tamad at sobrang masipag. So, kung sobrang masipag kayo, you are so lucky. Okay, and from the Marinduque Global Center, we are launching our 30-day challenge. In the past, we did it. Let me just share my screen. We did it 100 days of doing 8 core daily. So from today forward, we'll be doing how many days? We'll be doing 30 days para on the day of the challenge. Ayan. Okay. So, paano ginagawa? Like SM Ping said, may notebook. So, you can do, sa inyong app, meron tayong electronic version. You can just check it, or you can do manually, parang nagjo-journal. Or pwedeng i-check lang, or pwedeng yung ilagay. Ako, I prefer writing it down kasi nga nakakalimutan ko yung mga orders, nakakalimutan ko kung sino pinag-sharean ko para I can go back at pwede kong i-follow up after a week or after a day kung sino yung na-register ko. So, in a group chat, kung sino magjo-join, you just have to post daily. Pwede yung notebook nyo or yung activities. You have to use the product 100%. So, nung una, as a crazy, dagdagan ko ng isang C. Yung kay SM Ping, from compassion, care, courage, and connection, crazy. Kasi dun sa out of 8, ang pwede ko lang gawin at that time na alam kong hindi ako mag-fail is using the products and attending meeting and watching a video. So, doing those 3 had helped me improve a lot. And then, finally, reading and then consultation. So, kung ano lang yung pwede nyong gawin at this moment, but do it consistently kasi sabi nila, it would take at least 90 to 100 days of doing a specific habit bago maging innate sa inyo. So, kung lagi mo nang ginagawa, magiging, kagaya sabi niya, parang muscle memory. Okay? So, let's do it on a daily basis. Let's challenge ourselves to do it together in the next 30 days and beyond. So, be a consumer, change your habit, have the commitment to do it. You are the owner of this business. This is an opportunity we are sharing to you. Think of others first, of their success, of their health, of their beauty, and then repeat the process. Make sure you have a repeat purchase. Do it relentlessly. Do it righteously. So once you share it with your heart, like SMP, the success and your team will grow even better. Okay? Embrace the system. Embrace the company motto. Embrace that you have to do sharing and doing Atomy. And once you start sharing, you will earn. And most importantly, our chairman wants us to be successful in Atomy and wants us to have a balanced life. So, let's enjoy this process. Okay? So, yan ang definition ko ng 8 core. Change, own, repeat, and embrace. So, let's end with the company motto. And of course, never give up. Okay? Ano ba yung sabi ni DM says, bukas luluhod ang mga tala. And it's happening kasi yung mga nag-reject in the past, 4 years, 5 years ago, they are messaging and texting this time, uy, gusto ko maging member ng Atomy. Anong ni-reply ko? Sayang yung membership mo dati. You should have 400 members at this time kung hindi mo give up si Atomy. Okay, so never give up because success is for those who want it. Okay, let's end with the company motto. So please unmute your mic. Sa lahat ng nasa Facebook, comment CORE, C-O-R-E, if you've gone this far, okay? And we'll check kung sinong nood sa Facebook like. So, company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go!
Cherish the spirit, dedication,
Challenge the faith,
humility,
humility,
Aja.
Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, sa lahat ng leaders na nandito. You guys can wave sa ating Facebook viewers and we'll continue sa Zoom. So, see you again next Tuesday, Army, 7:30 p.m. every week. Okay, bye everyone!
Bye, ma'am.